Hey everyone! In today's video, we will show you how to set up a stop loss when trading on Binance. Whether we are paper trading or placing real trades, using a stop loss is important for managing risk and protecting our capital. Let's get started. Binance is fully integrated into Tradingview, so we can analyze, chart, and trade Binance pairs. In the futures directly from the Tradingview interface, we can connect our accounts to make trades using advanced tools, and our orders and history will sync automatically. We will guide you through each step so everyone can follow along. Even if we are new, we can do this together. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. Once we are there, we will be on the main page. We log in. After logging into our account, we go to the top, which is the Products menu. In Products, there is Super Charts. We click on Super Charts. We are now in the Market section. This is where we can see the market activity. We can view our gains and losses here. To use Binance, we need to connect it to Tradingview. To connect Binance, we go to the upper right and find the Trade option. We click Trade. Here, we see all the brokers we can use. For us, we choose Binance as our broker. Double-click it and connect. We need to fill out some forms and agreements to connect Binance to Tradingview. Once we finish, we click Confirm. After that, we are connected to Binance. We can now see Binance in the lower left part of our page. Let's click on After that. We click Trade to set up a stop loss. Now, once we click Trade, a new panel appears on the right side. Here, we choose whether to sell or buy. In the lower part of this panel, under Limit, we see the price, units, and other settings. In the Market section, we can pick BTC or USDT. For the stock name, we will see the stop price. This is also called stop loss. We can set the quantity or price we want, so the order stops automatically. Once we set it, click Buy. A stop loss order is a tool to help manage risk. It automatically sells a security when its price reaches a certain level, helping us limit losses. The main purposes are to prevent emotional decisions, automate monitoring, and limit risk in changing markets. Now, when we click Buy, that's how we set a stop loss in Binance. And that's how we set up a stop loss on Tradingview while trading on Binance. A good stop loss protects our capital and helps us trade with discipline. Always know your risk before entering a trade.